Hey everyone, welcome back. If your taskbar icons are missing, invisible, or not showing properly on Windows 11 or 10, don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through several easy fixes to bring them back. Make sure to follow each step, and by the end of this video, your taskbar should be back to normal. Let's get started. The first and easiest fix is restarting Windows Explorer to refresh the taskbar without restarting your whole computer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and choose Restart. Your taskbar will disappear for a second, then come back. If the icons reappear, you're good to go. If not, let's try the next fix. Sometimes icons disappear due to incorrect settings. Let's check that out. Right-click the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors. Make sure Automatically Hide the Taskbar is turned off. Then go to Personalization, then to Taskbar Corner Overflow. Make sure all the icons you want are turned on. If they're still missing, move to the next step. Corrupted icon cache files can also cause this issue. Let's delete and rebuild them. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %, and hit Enter. Open the Microsoft folder, then Windows and Explorer. Find and delete any files named iconcache.db. If you don't see it, enable Hidden Files from View and Show Hidden Items. After deleting the file, restart your PC. If the issue persists, let's run some system repair commands. Click Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type the following command and press Enter sfc/scan now. This will scan and fix corrupted system files. Once it's done, restart your PC and check if the icons are back. Sometimes a Windows update can cause or fix this issue, so let's check for updates. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. If none of the previous steps worked, we will reset taskbar settings using the Registry Editor. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /taskband. Right-click Taskband and choose Delete. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your missing or invisible taskbar icons. Let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.